Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bullseye TV once again, and today I just finished my gym and I just came and security called me that I have one delivery from RMX, and this delivery came from Dubai Run and it has a t-shirt, so let's do unpacking together. So guys, now we starting of unpacking this delivery from RMX, and let's see what's inside. You can see it has a nice packing inside. Like again, it has a one bag, and you can see now slowly I'm taking this t-shirt out. I'm so excited. And again, there's one more packet. Now it's going here. So this t-shirt size is large, and this is sponsored by My Dubai. It's a water company, and then here you can see this written Dubai 30. So guys, let me wear this t-shirt and let me show you how it looks after wearing it. So let's go. Back with the t-shirt, you can see the nice t-shirt, fitted t-shirt on me, and I selected very correct size, which is large. Here in the t-shirt itself, you can see the logo of Dubai 3030, which is sponsored by My Dubai and Fitbit. Dubai 3030 logo you can see in the back, and Sun and Sand Sports. So you want to know how I got this t-shirt, which is actually I'm connected with Dubai 3030 Fitness Challenge from the day one, and I'm getting everyday emails that today you can free run in one of the gym, which is Gym Nation and some of the gyms. So every day is sponsored by one of the another. So this time I got this email that please collect your free t-shirt sponsored by My Dubai. So I was so excited. I just registered online, but the t-shirt is free by My Dubai, but delivery charges you need to pay for RMX. It will be approximately 10 dirham, and then I will share the link in my description. I don't know if it is still valid for you or not, but if it is valid, good for you. Please order it and then enjoy and keep yourself fit every day. And I hope you love this unpacking of Dubai Run t-shirt, and special thanks to Dubai Run to providing me this gift, and I'm so excited for this. So please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.